Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to crop an image in Penpot. Right? As we all know, we don't have the crop tool inside Penpot. Okay, but there's actually two ways to do that. So the first option is by cropping from your computer. Okay, so let's just go ahead and find an image right here. Maybe the channel's logo. Okay, this one. I'm gonna right click on it and then go ahead and select your photo editor. I'm just gonna go ahead and edit with Paint. Okay, to crop, you have the selection tool. Select the area that you wanted to crop. Say, for example, that one. And then finally hit on crop right here. And once done, just save it. Okay, and here we have it. Now, the other option is by using Penpot itself. Okay, so in here, you can go ahead and add in an image first, for example, or a shape, for example, rectangle. Okay, draw a rectangle. Now let's say we have the same exact image. I'm going to drag and drop. There you go. Now what you do is fit the specific section to the shape that you have. Okay, for example, you want to crop this area. So just fit it. And you'll be able to see some axis right here. Okay, well, that means that it is centered. All right, there you go. That's centered. Now what you would do next is just select all or both the shape and the image. As you can see, we have the square at the background. Now you go ahead and group them. And once done, right click on it again and just mask it. There you go. Here we now have our cropped image. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.